How prenuptial and postnuptial agreements affect divorce mediation in New York. Divorce mediation in New York is designed to help couples resolve differences with dignity and efficiency. When significant property or financial issues arise, the process can become complicated. Prenuptial and postnuptial agreements guide mediation by defining financial expectations, clarifying ownership rights, and establishing a framework for dividing assets. When properly executed, these contracts can transform mediation from adversarial negotiation into a predictable and focused process. New York views marital agreements as powerful tools that let spouses decide how their assets are treated during marriage and in divorce. To be valid, they must be written, signed, properly acknowledged, based on full financial disclosure, and entered into voluntarily. Courts still decide custody and support for children. When a valid prenuptial or postnuptial agreement enters mediation, potential flashpoints are settled in advance. Instead of combing through assets and negotiating division from scratch, spouses follow the rules they set. The mediator's role shifts from crafting a settlement to helping the couple implement their existing plan. Agreements may define how increases in property value will be shared or waive, or calculate spousal support, turning emotionally charged issues into straightforward tasks. These agreements have practical benefits. Couples without an agreement may need multiple sessions, while those with prenuptial or postnuptial agreements often resolve matters more quickly. Fewer sessions and a clear roadmap save time and money. By resolving potential conflicts in advance, agreements also reduce tension and help couples separate respectfully, an important consideration when children are involved. Prenuptial agreements are signed before marriage, becoming effective once the marriage takes place. They set rules for property ownership, asset division, and spousal support. Postnuptial agreements are created after the wedding. They often arise when circumstances change, such as an inheritance, a new business, or one spouse leaving work, and can help rebuild trust after financial missteps. Courts scrutinize postnups more closely because married spouses owe each other a fiduciary duty, and the agreements must reflect fairness and transparency. Postnuptial agreements show that couples can negotiate even during difficult times. They offer financial clarity and emotional reassurance when circumstances change. Using a postnup in mediation demonstrates that both spouses willingly accepted its terms and reinforces its fairness, reminding them of their capacity for collaboration. Juan Luciano is a seasoned New York City divorce mediation attorney who helps clients resolve family disputes. He focuses on divorce mediation, child custody, spousal support, and prenuptial agreements. Known for a calm, solution-oriented approach, he founded the Juan Luciano divorce lawyer law firm with a commitment to compassion and professionalism. Working with an experienced lawyer or attorney helps ensure that prenuptial or postnuptial agreements are understood and fairly applied. Prenuptial and postnuptial agreements provide foresight and stability. Properly drafted and applied, they transform potential conflict into structured collaboration and help couples approach divorce mediation with confidence and respect. If you are considering mediation and want to understand how your agreement will affect the process, professional guidance can make all the difference. Juan Luciano Divorce Lawyer, Manhattan is located at 347 Fifth Avenue, STE 1003, New York, New York, 10016, and can be reached at 212-537-5859. This dedicated law firm stands ready to provide the support you need to navigate mediation and protect your interests.